Did you know that for centuries a fragrant wood has held a sacred place in meditation rituals? This wood, revered across cultures and epochs, has been a silent witness to countless spiritual journeys. This wood is agarwood, also known as oud. Its unique scent is not just a fragrance but a bridge to the divine, a tool for deepening meditation and spiritual connection. Its rich earthy aroma has wafted through temples and meditation halls for millennia. The smoke, curling and rising, carries with it the prayers and intentions of those who seek peace and enlightenment. Ancient cultures recognized its power. They documented its uses in sacred texts and passed down the knowledge through generations, ensuring that the wisdom of Agarwood would never be lost. They used Agarwood to enhance spiritual practices, whether in grand ceremonies or solitary meditations. Agarwood was a constant companion, believed to purify the mind and soul. Today we can still tap into this ancient wisdom. In our fast-paced modern world, Agarwood offers a moment of stillness, a chance to reconnect with our inner selves. Agarwood incense can be our guide. Lighting a stick of Agarwood incense can transform a simple room into a sacred space, inviting tranquility and focus. It enhances our own meditation journey. As the fragrant smoke fills the air, it helps to quiet the mind, deepen our practice, and bring us closer to a state of inner peace and harmony. Meditation is a journey inwards. It is about finding stillness amidst the noise of life. Many people struggle to find this peace. Their minds race with thoughts, their bodies feel tense. Stress and distractions pull them away from the present moment. This makes deep meditation feel impossible. Our modern world is full of distractions. Phones buzz, emails pile up, and to-do lists grow longer. It's no wonder we find it hard to quiet our minds. Stress also plays a role. It manifests as physical tension. This makes it difficult to relax into meditation. Section 4, Agarwood, a bridge to tranquility. This is where agarwood comes in. Harvested from the heartwood of Aquilaria trees, agarwood is a precious and rare resin. Its warm, grounding scent creates a calming atmosphere. The rich, woody aroma fills the air, inviting a sense of peace and serenity. The aroma helps to quiet the mind. It gently guides us into a state of mindfulness, allowing distractions to fade away. It allows us to focus on our breath. Each inhale and exhale becomes more profound, deepening our connection to the present moment. Agarwood also has a grounding effect on the body. It anchors us, providing a sense of stability and balance. It eases tension and promotes relaxation. The soothing properties of agarwood help to melt away stress, leaving us feeling rejuvenated and at peace. Section 5. A sensory meditation, immersing in the aroma of agarwood. Imagine this, you are settling into your meditation space. The room is quiet, a sanctuary from the outside world. Soft light fills the room, casting gentle shadows that dance on the walls. The atmosphere is calm and inviting. You light a stick of agarwood incense, watching the flame flicker before it settles into a steady glow. The rich aroma begins to fill the air, a scent both ancient and soothing. Breathe in deeply, letting the fragrance envelop you. You feel the tension leaving your body, each breath bringing a deeper sense of peace. Your shoulders drop, your muscles loosen. Your mind grows quiet, thoughts drifting away like leaves on a stream. You are present, fully immersed in the moment. This is the power of agarwood in meditation, a journey inward, a connection to the essence of tranquility.